Hello, welcome to our channel where we share scientific innovations. Please don't forget to like the video.
Why are the cook chefs always male? Research on the cook chefs who works at hotel cuisines. Abstract. The purpose of this study is to determine the reasons. Why are chefs always male in the kitchens of hotels? Food cultures of countries, cooking techniques, eating styles are some of the subjects in the study area of gastronomy science. Chefs are one of the primary elements that contribute to the development of food culture. Cook chefs are at the center of the present study. The scientific discipline, Workforce in Working Life, continues to do research about cook chefs. In this study, the gender and reasons of chefs working in the kitchens of 4- and 5-star hotels serving in the field of tourism in the world were researched demographically. 4 continents, 5 countries from each continent, 2 cities from each country, and 10 international 4- and 5-star chain hotels in each city were selected. In the first section of the study, it was observed that most of the chefs working in hotels were male. In the second section, the reasons why most of the chefs are male were examined scientifically. As a result, it was determined that the working conditions of chefs are difficult for women, hence the high number of male chefs.
You can access the entire article from the link I left in the description. Please subscribe and like the video.